Hello and welcome to Cigar Box Guitars, aka the Dutchman in San Marcos, and the DRWNS, the Duluth Red Wing and Southern Clay Train channel, coming to you with some uh, news that the regular scheduled programming won't get done. We had a problem this week of the Mini Mac wouldn't start up. I didn't get a light here. I was away for like a week, so it was off, but I don't know what happened. I was having trouble with it, and so all my movie maker stuff is in here. My laptop where this is being sent out on isn't up to date in terms of system-wise, so I can't download iMovie on that to do a better job of producing this. So what you're gonna get is what you get that I can send on my laptop. So just to say, we'll be back. It'll give me something to work on. If you watched my short of Retired and Loving It, it's just a new phase. Hopefully either it'll be a new computer or I can get this one running. If anybody knows about Mini Macs, I'll just tell you the brief problem with it was it would, only when I started downloading my shows, and always on the second one, it would just completely cut out. And then, so I would unplug it. I'd plug it into another power supply from my wife's little Mini Mac, and it would light up. Then I'd bring it back in, plug it in, and then it would work. So that happened maybe 4 times. So if anybody knows about them, and now it didn't turn on at all. So I'm guessing the power supply went bad in it. That's my uneducated guess of kind of steering my way through these type of things of computers. But there might be something else out there that I could do. If you know, drop it in a comment and send it my way so I can get back to my regular programming. So you'll see this on both channels, so whatever you're watching each week and subscribing to, they'll still be posted at that same time. And I'll keep you updated if I'm still not back by the following week. Actually, we were gone, so I didn't get this out as early. This is actually coming out Friday before the Saturday. I've still got my shorts because the short clips I do, because those are easier to put out from my phone to the Mac or the laptop, the Mac laptop I have. But like I said, that's got older systems on it, but I can still get those out. So that'll be happening. Also, we'll get back. I didn't get a lot done on the cigar box or the railroad because I was gone, so there wouldn't have been a lot to report. So I thought, you know what, I'll just throw it out there and we will get back to you the following week. You know, the 11 o'clock cigar box guitars, and then at 12 o'clock the Red Wing Clay Train, the DRNW&S clay train with the N-scale trains that I'm building. So those are the contents that I create on those, which will be delayed until I can either get a new system or get my old one fixed. If I get my old one fixed, we'll be back to order. But I'm kind of doubting that. I tried all my little tricks that I know, which aren't probably any good, and would get it going again, but it might have sang its last song, as they say. So anyways, and another update, we had a great time in Arizona, and a good reflecting time of my wife's husband, or my wife's dad, Jack Huber, passed away, and so we had the services out there and seen a lot of new families and or a lot of new relatives too that we hadn't seen in years and years. So we enjoyed that and had a good time. Made it back and forth safely because we had to do a big circle tour trip. We had to pick up Pat in LA, then we had to pick up Elizabeth in Tulare, drive from Tulare all the way down to Phoenix, Arizona in Sun City, and then the same thing in reverse back. I did see on a train note, if you're a train person, I did see the Chalapalli pass. I'm not saying that right, but so that was just my wife walking in the door as I record this. So we will see you later. Be sure to like, comment, and we will get back to you and see you soon.